Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the canvas and visual rules. Set a 24 by 36 in artboard and choose RGB for digital or CMYK for print. Aim for 300 dpi equivalents when exporting. Place a reference photo on a locked layer so you can trace shapes without moving it. Next, block the main silhouette using the pen and shape tools to establish composition. This creates the poster's backbone. Make sure to add guides for a consistent 16:9 focal area, and pick 2 primary colors plus an accent. Once the silhouette is locked, refine shapes with the pen tool and Pathfinder to merge or cut forms. This yields crisp, editable vector shapes that scale. For depth, layer flat colors with linear or radial gradients, then introduce texture with halftone patterns or subtle Gaussian blur on duplicated shapes. Use opacity masks to blend foreground elements into background scenes. When adding typography, set your headline in a bold display font. Adjust tracking and leading for balance, and make sure typographic hierarchy guides the eye from headline to supporting copy. Finish by aligning, grouping, and naming layers for a tidy file. Convert fonts to outlines if sending to printers, and embed color profiles to preserve hues. Export a print-ready PDF at high quality, and create WebPNG or JPEG exports at 72 to 300 ppi depending on destination. Make sure bleed and trim are set if printing. If you notice banding or strange artifacts, rasterize the textured layers at a higher resolution or export in 16-bit to smooth gradients. This usually fixes the issue without reworking the design.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.